So we're on the rear row, we're doing the driver backrest. So rear row driver backrest, it's gonna work just like that front, except for it does not have that sleeve. It doesn't cap over the back side of it. It's gonna have these straps that drop down to buckles. Okay, so straps and buckles. Okay, so we're gonna take these, fit this on right here, and we're gonna need to drop down these straps to the buckles. Okay, we're just gonna fit that over like that. Start out. Now this strap right here is gonna pass down right on the back side of the seat. Okay, so if you can see that, there's this bar right here, gotta go in front of that bar right here, guys. We're gonna pass this down like that. Okay, and there's plenty of space when it drops down, so don't worry about it. We'll find it once it drops down. Okay, and then we're gonna take this one right here, drop this one down as well. Okay. Now it looks like there's enough space. There's this bar and kind of this square spot right here where I'm gonna try dropping this strap down. Should work right there. If it doesn't, I may need to just go on the side of that square piece right there. I'm dropping it down right in between that right now. That's where I'm going with it. We'll see how that works. Should have plenty of space though. Okay, so now that I've dropped those down, I'm gonna go underneath seat right here and find those straps. Okay, so here's my two straps. Okay, so they were just on the back side. I just reached up and grabbed those, and you may have to reach around a little bit more and kind of feel where they are. Okay, perfect. So just checking to make sure everything's lined up back there. And now, just like the front, I'm going through the middle slot, then the outside slot, right there, like that, okay? Cinch that up. Same thing right here. Middle slot, outside slot with the teeth. Right there. Take the slack out. Then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get as much slack out as I can before I start reaching up on the back side right there and pulling this. Now, I can tell this is gonna be kind of a tight spot to reach my hand up, so one little trick that you can do, I've done this on some other seats, is you can go to the side right here. So I'm gonna actually pass this strap up to on the corner. So it kind of at a 45 degree angle right there. And now that's gonna allow me to tighten that strap without having to have my fist completely on the back side of the seat. Okay. Now before I lock that down completely, just like we did on the front seats, fit that around into place where you want it there, and then you can continue to tighten that up. Okay, so I got that started over there. I'm gonna work on this other side right now. I'm just gonna take that strap. Here's that strap right here. I pass that strap from the bottom up to the top. It's another trick you can do, is if you can pass that up to yourself right there. Now that'll allow me to pull that up a little bit easier. If your fist fits on the back side of the seat, you can just reach underneath there and tighten it up. But if it doesn't, that's one thing you may want to do, is pass that up. And what I'm doing here is I'm taking the slack out with this hand, and then I'm going to tighten right here. Okay. So that's looking good. I'm gonna push this cover around a little bit more. Just get that to conform a little bit better to that seat. Work that out a little bit more over here. So I just work it back and forth, side to side, to get this all to conform nice. Now, I could have just gone straight up, and it does pull a little bit better when you tighten this if you go straight up and down with it rather than at an angle. It keeps the strap from binding on itself. Okay, so that's looking really good, guys. Let's see how that's tightening down. It's nice and tight. Love it. Push that cover in a little bit more. Okay, so now we're just getting a nice tight fitment. I'll take my hands and just massage over that seat a little bit more like that, just to get that to conform down. But all in all, guys, that's about it. So I might do just a little bit more of that, just working it down, again, taking the slack out, tightening here. You can see there's those two straps. Once you have them in this position where they're going up and down, that's really the best way to pull that down and tighten it there. Okay, so now, once I have that and it's all tight, you can just hide these straps, just tuck them back down, back side of the seat, and then you're good to go. That backrest is all done.